I think we're going to be adding another box really soon. Holy cow. It looks like they're freaking swarming.
What are we thinking for this?
I think the top hive is going to be full of broods. We didn't open up the hive last time because of rain, so I don't know where she's going to be. I'd assume she's going to be where she was last time we opened up the box.
Yeah, we didn't get to open up on Memorial Day weekend because it was too cold. It would have been detrimental to the hive. And we've got a guest beehive worker, Noah, over here,
not just kidding, hi.
who helped build these lovely frame holders.
What we're going to do is we're going to open up this top part, okay? Okay, this is where you start to see a lot of these.
Oh, look at all the propolis. Oh wow, they made a lot of our grease patty. Next week we should probably put more grease patty in. Isn't this so weird? No, you're like right
There's so many. I'm terrified.
Don't worry, they can't, like, if they do sting you, you're not going to feel it. They've been building on this frame. You can see all the wax that they've been working on. So now we're going to move backwards and test these frame holder things. So what to do?
And our queen has a little dot on her back, so if you see one with
you'll see a little yellow painted spot on her back side, and that's the amount of work they've gotten done on that frame.
Jeez, there's so many.
I'm gonna move very slow.
Ooh, we got a pollen frame. Oh, a nectar frame.
This frame,
Look at that other one.
has a little bit of nectar. You see that liquid in there?
Yeah.
That's nectar.
Nectar.
Nectar, which will become honey. That's pollen, that yellow stuff. That powder yellow stuff is pollen.
They kind of basically like to do stairs, if you can think of it
You're
that
about
way.
to see where it was attached. Maybe.
Dang.
I can't tell, is that capped honey?
Lot of
They're
bees.
literally just making this their freaking honey box.
You see that giant beano with a huge butt?
That one?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
a male. That's one big sucker. That's a male. And he's got like fly eyes. He doesn't have a stinger.
Dang.
Dude, I'm loving this.
Oh, like those white things? Are
Yeah.
those eggs?
Those are worms. So those are the babies.
Those are the babies?
Yeah, baby. Oh, and the very small ones that are right next to the babies are eggs.
Oh my
Like the
gosh.
teeny ones.
Aren't those so small?
Dude, they are so small.
Which means that they've hatched into those worms, and then some of them have been capped, so she's been here recently.
There's like a big
That's
corn on
the
the
big
cab.
thing.
Then
So
this
does
frame
pollen
too.
like over time turn into nectar, and then that nectar turns into honey, or do they have to like
So,
work on it?
So
nectar-
pollen and nectarine are different. Nectarine is like a
Nectar.
liquid in the flower.
It's like a
and
sugar water.
Pollen is like
It's like
a
bread
kind of
for 'em.
seed. It's the male version of a seed, I guess, to help more flowers grow.
Yeah.
It's kind of like sperm, but for flowers, I guess. Heavy box. So now this is where all the work's happening, and this is where she's
Right
working
in
like
the
crazy.
center.
And then just pull up. There you go. Yep, use your fingers. Okay, slowly and carefully. You don't want to crush them.
Wow.
And then you can slowly put it on his corner.
Look at that. Woohoo! Isn't that crazy to look at all the food that they've been building here?
Dang. That one is brown.
You know how heavy that is?
I think I just killed like 1 or 2 bees.
That's alright.
I know.
Oh shoot, that's heavy. Holy.
That is a lot
Whoa.
of nectar.
Oh, there she is. There she is.
No.
You see that? Yes, yes, yes.
Let me see.
Like the painted back is like very less painted, but that's her. Do you see her?
Oh, okay. Here she is. We found her.
There's a lot of bees climbing
Okay.
over her.
Watch my finger. Let me find her again.
I'm like,
Yeah,
right
she's
here,
behind
right
you.
here.
She's behind you. You have to move.
Right there. See how long she is?
oh wow. Oh, and she has like a yellow dot on her head.
Back.
Where'd she go?
And it was painted, but it's like
Can
she's
you like
right
turn
there.
it a bit to me? I can't really see.
You see how she's Beyonce?
Yeah, she's like big and long. Exactly. She's huge.
We'll probably have to do. Whoa! Probably need to clean that out.
What is all that?
I have no idea. Do you see any dead mites?
Oh, it's just old pollen.
Should we just like brush it off?
That's wild.
Maybe not, because maybe they need this. Maybe.
No,
they
this is under where they can't reach it. This is when they clean out their hive.
Oh.
That's interesting.
Have you guys ever seen this before?
Nah.
Do you see any mites?
Well, they wouldn't just naturally have it there. You have to do it whenever they cleanse themselves.
Poor
Like
thing.
that little guy, girl. What'd you think, Noah? Your first time checking the hive?
Pretty crazy. Queen is big.
Yeah.
I saw the eggs and worms, so that was
Yeah.
pretty
The
cool.
larva. What do you think, Ethan, of the status of the hive?
It's definitely good. Like, I was hoping to add a third box today, but we're probably gonna want to wait a week or two. Doing really good. They had tons of cats brood, which
Yeah, it was awesome.
in 2 weeks, in a week to 2 weeks, that's all gonna hatch, and that's when we're gonna want our third box.
Yeah,
Queen was alive. We saw eggs, and she's been laying up in the top box.
that's awesome.
So we're doing good.
Yeah. Till next week.
Bye.